61, do you have any updates?
Engine 61 from Sheriff.
Go ahead, Ben. We could barely hear you.
Engine 61, per my officer on the scene, they don't see any smoke, but they're still checking.
Engine 61 copies. Lincoln from Engine 61, do we have a door number for Police Station 66?
10-4, that's going to be 66, no, nothing further at this time.
Understood.
They advise the alarms are focused on the east side of the building.
Understood, east side of the building.